Have you ever bought blueberries that looked big and beautiful, but tasted sour, bland, or watery? Blueberries should be juicy, sweet, flavorful, and worth every bite. So today we are talking about how to grow blueberries the right way, what causes them to struggle, and the top 5 sweetest blueberry varieties for beginners. So let's grow by zone. Blueberries are perennial fruiting shrubs that grow best in USDA zones 3 through 10, depending on the variety. Some blueberries need cold winters, while others are better for warmer climates, so choosing the right type for your zone is very important. Blueberries are native to North America and have been enjoyed for thousands of years. Over time, wild blueberries were developed into garden varieties that produce larger, sweeter, and more reliable harvests. The name blueberry is simple but perfect. It comes from the deep blue color of the ripe berries. And when they are grown in the right soil with the right moisture, blueberries can be one of the sweetest fruits in the home garden. For beginners, the main blueberry types to know are northern highbush, southern highbush, rabbit eye, low bush, and half high blueberries. Some are better for cold zones, some are better for hot zones, and some stay compact enough for containers. Blueberries are also full of nutrition. They provide antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and plant compounds that support a healthy diet. That makes them one of the sweetest, prettiest, and most rewarding fruits you can grow at home. Now let's talk about planting blueberries, what they love, what causes them to struggle, how to harvest them, and how to store them after harvest. Blueberries are usually planted from starter plants, not seeds, because they take a long time to grow from seed. Plant them in a sunny spot with well-draining, acidic soil. This is the most important thing to remember. Blueberries love acidic soil. If the soil pH is too high, the plant may struggle, even if you are watering and feeding it correctly. Blueberries also love consistent moisture, mulch, and full sun. Pine bark, pine needles, or wood mulch can help protect the roots and keep the soil cooler and moist. What causes blueberries to struggle is usually the wrong soil pH, poor drainage, not enough water, too much fertilizer, or planting the wrong variety for your zone. Most blueberry plants take a few years to reach full production, but once they are established, they can produce for many years. Blueberries are ready to harvest when they turn fully blue and come off the plant easily. For the sweetest flavor, let them stay on the bush a few extra days after turning blue. After harvest, store blueberries in the refrigerator and wait to wash them until right before eating. For longer storage, blueberries freeze beautifully and can be used later in smoothies, baking, jams, and desserts. Blueberries can struggle with yellowing leaves, poor growth, root rot, birds, and low fruit production. Most problems come from soil that is not acidic enough, poor drainage, inconsistent watering, or choosing the wrong variety for your zone. The main pests to watch for are birds, aphids, mites, Japanese beetles, and fruit flies. For natural prevention, use mulch, keep the soil evenly moist, prune for airflow, and use bird netting when berries start to ripen. Beneficial insects like bees, ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies can help with pollination and pest control. For companion planting, blueberries grow well near thyme, basil, strawberries, rhododendrons, azaleas, and other acid-loving plants. Now let's rank the top 5 sweetest blueberries for beginners, from last place to first place. Number 5 is pink lemonade. This blueberry is sweet, floral, and lightly tart with a unique pink color and a bright lemonade-like flavor. Number 4 is Jersey. Jersey has that classic old-fashioned blueberry taste. Very sweet, juicy, and familiar. Number 3 is Legacy. Legacy is sweet, rich, aromatic, and balanced with a deeper blueberry flavor. Number 2 is Sweetcrisp. Sweetcrisp is extra sweet, firm, juicy, and has a crisp bite that makes it feel almost candy-like. And number 1 is Jelly Bean. Jelly Bean is super sweet, jammy, and tastes almost like homemade blueberry jelly. making it my top pick for the sweetest blueberry to grow. If this helped, like, share, subscribe, and download the free one-page blueberry guide. Here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, helping you grow smarter wherever you live.